Hello everyone. Okay, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you all? Fine. I hope you all are fine and enjoy your online session. Okay, so which period is going on? Tell me. Okay, math period is going on. Subject math. And now I am going to teach you number names. Okay, in your previous session you know number names from 21 to 30. Yes or no? In your previous session we have learned from 21 to 30. You learn the spelling. Okay, now again we will write numbers from 21 to 30. So are you ready? Let's start with me. Take out your notebook, pencil and eraser and write with me. Okay? Ready? Okay. First, you write the heading number names from 21 to 30. Okay? This is your revision part. Okay? In your previous session, you write number names from 21 to 30. So, today we again write 21 to 30. So, let's start. Okay, look over here. First, you write down the heading, first line. Okay, then write your ones and tens. Understand all of you? Okay, write with me. First, you write down ones, then tens. Okay, and number 1, 2, 1, 21. All of you write 2, 1, 21 because number names from 21 to 30. So first you write here 2, 1, 21. All of you write 2, 1, 21. Now you make small slipping line. Small slipping line. Okay. Now the spelling of 2, 1, 21 is, you know the spelling of 20. Okay. So tell me the spelling of 20. All of you say T W E N T Y 20. Okay, this is the spelling of 20. Now small dash, slipping line. Now this number is 2, 1, 21. Which number of this? 21. So you join spelling of 1. So you make the spelling of 21. So look over here. We write here O-N-E-1. You know the spelling of 1? Okay, very good. So the spelling of 1? O-N-E-1. So the spelling of 21 is T-W-E-N-T-Y O-N-E-1. 21. Okay. Done. 21. You write also and learn also. Okay. Write and learn also. Okay. And say and write. Now drop one line. All of you drop one line. Then next is 2 to 22. Okay. 2 to 22. Now make small slipping line. All of you make small slipping line. Now again we will write the spelling of 20. What is the spelling of 20? Tell me, what is the spelling of 20? Say with me. All of you say and write T W E N T Y 20. Now small slipping line. This is the number 2 to 22. So spelling of 22 is TWENTYTWO2. 22. Okay. Write on your notebook. Write with me. 21, 22. Now again drop one block and write here 2, 3, 23. Okay. Make small slipping line. Right here. What is the spelling? 20. Write down the spelling of 20. What is the spelling of 20? TW. Write with me. Okay. ENTY. Okay. Write one block. One letter in one block. Okay. So the spelling of 20 is TWENTY. Okay. Now, which spelling you join? Which number of these? 3. So, here we join the spelling of 3. THREE. 3. Okay. So, what is the spelling of 23? You join the spelling, both spelling TWENTY THREE. 3. Okay. 23. Okay. Now, after 23, all of you write 2, 4, 24. Okay, all of you write 24. Good. Now, make small slipping line. All of you make slipping line. Very good. Now, here we write which spelling? Spelling of 20. So, what is the spelling of 20? TWENTY. Okay. 20. Now, which spelling we add? Number 4. So, what is the spelling of 4? FOUR. 4. Okay. So, the spelling of 24 is TWENTYFOUR. 24. Okay. All of you write down on your notebook. From 24. Now, next is 25. Next is 25. Drop one block and write the spelling of 2525. Okay. 2525. Here we write 2525. All of you write with me. Done. 24 spelling. Now, next is 2525. So, 25. Next slipping line. Okay, now write the spelling of 2525. What is the spelling of 20? TWE. Right here FIVE. 5. 25. Okay. So this is the spelling of 2525. Write on your notebook from 21 to 25. Okay. Now I have no space, so I erase the board. If you have no space, you turn the page and write from next page. Okay. So I erase the board. Now after 25, which spelling will come? 2, 6, 26. So now write here 2, 6, Okay, 25 spelling done. Now here we write again tens and ones. First you write here 2, 6, 26. Now tell me the spelling of 20. All of you say the spelling of 20. What is the spelling of 20? T. Write with me. W E N T Y. Okay. This is the spelling of 20. And next is, which number you will add? Which number of these? 2, 6. So you add the spelling of 6. S I X. 6. 26. Okay. So the spelling of 26 is TWENTYSIX. 6. Okay. Now after 26, all of you write 2, 7, 27. Okay. After 26, all of you write 2, 7, 27. Yes. Now tell me, what is the spelling of 20? All of you learn the spelling of 20 because we will write 2 times. Okay, in your previous session also you write 21 to 30 and again we will write 21 to 30. So you know the spelling of 20? All are no? Very good. So now tell me the spelling of 20. All of you say T W E N T Y. Okay. This is the spelling of 20. And now we add, next spelling is, which number of these? Number 7. So we add the spelling of 7. What is the spelling of 7? What is the spelling of 7? Yes. S E V E N. 7. Okay. So now the spelling of 27. What is the spelling of 27? TWENTYSEVEN. 27. Okay. You write 27. Now after 27, you write, which spelling you write? 2, 8, 28. Now again we will write the spelling of 20. All of you know? Okay, now write with me. T W E N T Y. Sleeping line. Now we add the spelling of 8. So here we write the spelling of 8. What is the spelling of 8? Tell me, what is the spelling of 8? Yes. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay. So now the spelling of 28. What is the spelling of 28? Say along. TWENTYEIGHT. 28. Okay. 28 done. Now next is 2, 9, 29. Next is 2, 9, 29. Write here number 2, 9, 29. All of you write 2, 9, 29. Done? Okay, now make sleeping line. Again we will write the spelling of 20. So here we write T W because here 2, 9, 29 is there. So sleeping line and write here N I N E 9 29. Okay, now last spelling is 3030. Okay, this is different for all. So the spelling of 30, look over here. Okay, write carefully. T H I R T Y. So this is the spelling of 30. Okay, T H I R T Y. So on your notebook you write 21 to 30. Number names from 21 to 30. Write on your notebook. All of you write. Okay. Now I am erase the board. Now your homework is look over here. This is your homework. Okay, number names 21 to 30 is your classwork. You write on your notebook. Write with me. Now your homework is number name 20 and number name 30. Okay, number name 20 and number name 30. You write one page. Okay, the spelling of 20 is, tell me, what is the spelling of 2020? Okay, T W E N T Y. Okay, so you write one page. Okay, drop one block and write one page the spelling of 20. Okay, then take new page, write 3030 and full page you write the spelling of 30. What is the spelling of 30? T H I R T and Y. Okay, so one page spelling of 2020, one page spelling of 3030. Okay, so you write 2-page homework. First you write 2020, write full page, then 3030, write full page, drop one block. Okay, so you write how many times? At least 10 times. Okay, at least 10 times you write 20 and 10 times you write 30. Okay, so 2-page homework. Now we will do some oral exercise. Okay, don't write. Okay. We are doing matching. Okay, matching. Okay, look over here. let's do some small exercise. This is your oral, okay? So only revise it. First, you identify the number, which number of these. Then you revise the spelling of number. What is the spelling of this number? First you call which of these number? This is number 2. Okay. Now tell me the spelling of 2. All of you say the spelling of 2. TWO2. Okay. So where is TWO2? You join TWO2. Okay. So here you join TWO2. You join TWO2. Okay, now next. Which number of these? First you identify the number 3030. So you know the spelling of 3030? Yes or no? Yes. What is the spelling of 3030? Revise. THR, revise on your finger. THIRTY. Okay. So where is 30 spelling? Here. So you match 3030. Okay. Now next is 2525. Okay. So what is the spelling of 25? Check your notebook. You write now 2525. Yeah. So the spelling of 25 is TWENTYFIVE. 25. So you match it. 25. Okay. Now next is 1616. So where is 16? What is the spelling of 16? SIXTEEN. In your previous session you know na spelling of 11 to 20. So this is 16 number. So what is the spelling of 16? And where is the spelling of 16? Here. So you match 16. Okay. Now next is 1010. So what is the spelling of 10? Here. So you match 10 number. So this is matching for your number names. You know all number names. You learn all number names. So this is for your memory exercise. Okay. You know all the numbers. Number names. So done. This is your oral. Now you remember what is your CW and what is your HW. Your CW is what you write today? Number names. Number names from 21 to 30. This is your class work. Okay. And your homework. Number name 20 and 30. How many times? 10 times. Okay. 10 times of 20 spelling and 10 times of 30 spelling. You write full page of 20 and full page of 30. So this is your class work, homework. So now your period is over. So I hope you all are fine and enjoy your session. So bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.